All right, hi there, Wade Sellers here, and in this video we're going to just continue on with what we talked about with if statements in the last video, and we're going to add on the else part of the if statement, the if-else statement, all right? Creating two forks in the road here. So I have the same app that we had at the same stopping point that we were at, all right? And I have my if statement here, and if sides of a cube is equal to 6, the output is success, and the output is this is always executed. If you're following right along, you can just continue on following along. What we're going to do here is we're going to remove this output, and instead, we're going to create an else statement. So after this curly brace right here, we're just going to space else, open up another curly brace, and we can run code here. Here we're just going to change the output value again to equal, and this time we're going to say Boolean statement was false. And then up here where the success is at, let's go ahead and just do Boolean statement was true. Okay, so this will allow us to understand the concept here, all right? So you can see in the preview right here, Boolean statement was true. Why? Well, sides of a cube is set to 6. And then in here, in the if-else statement, we're saying if sides of a cube equals 6, change the output to Boolean statement was true. The statement is true, so it changes it to true. So why did it not change it to this? Well, the reason is because in an if-else statement, we're going to go one of two paths, okay? We're not going to do both. It's either or. If, else. If would be true in this situation, else would be false. So watch what happens if I change sides of a cube to 5. You'll see that our preview says Boolean statement was false. And that's because this whole function, this whole if statement was ran, and it said if sides of a cube equals 6, oh, it's false. Then do whatever is going on down here, okay? So that is if-else statements in a nutshell. It's either this or that, based on true or false, okay? In the next video, we're going to talk about else if, which is adding more options than just two pathways through an if-else statement, all right? So with that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.